So right here, do me a favor.
Yeah.
Are you able to kind of come right here and just like
Hold
hold this right here, how I'm doing, and then I can run the machine? Por favor. Okay. You'll get compensated for your time with $1 million. I'm just kidding. Okay, right there. So what do we got right here, Matt? This is the stoppage. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're gonna run the cable and we're gonna see this thing unstop. Hopefully. Little by little, sometimes you'll see that water gradually want to go down and start draining. Tap into the pipe and vibration. I want to loosen it a little. And just depending on where the stoppage is at, that's how far you're going to go down with the cable. This one might have roots and some odd more. But, a little view of the safety. So you know, Top side everything else is good. give a quick view, you want to show over here for a second? So just to give a quick view, this right here is this one puts it in forward and reverse. It's basically a lever that puts it forward and reverse as you're moving along. Right here you tighten up the cable and you loosen up the cable. So when you loosen it, it makes the cable loose, right? Now when you tighten it, it tightens up against the cable. And when you use the forward and reverse lever here, you're able to make the snake, it's with wheels in here, go back and forth. So that's what we're doing. We're basically running it here, and then we're going back. We're going to go forward. We're going forward. There we go. It's stuck. It's stuck. If I see the cable curl up, if this thing starts curling up, that means that you put it back. So right here, we just tighten this, make sure it's tight. Right there's forward, right here it goes back. So you see that cable curling up because of the stoppage, the thing's gonna go back. And look at the water might be a little bit going down, little by little. In there a good 50 feet. Right here is your 50-foot mark. You see that right there? Show the people. Right there, right here is a 50-foot connection for the cable. So that way you know about 50 feet. That's on my cable. You still see the water in there, Matt? This is going down. Try to get a better view on it. There you go. Thank you. We're getting close. I can feel it. There it goes. Oh, baby, come on, work with me here. There it goes. Come on, baby, come on. There it goes. Does the water look like it's seeping? Come on, Bubba. Feel that cable wants to bind up. That's when you know you're on the stoppage, you know. That thing still have water in it. See how I'm running that thing for the view. See, they show them right here. I'm on the pedal. You can show them right here. I have my knee on the pedal. Kind of makes it a little more convenient. They said that snake curls up. You just put the retriever a different. You put it that direction, slide it back on the reverse, and it'll kick back, bring that cable back in. Look at everything. The water just disappeared. See that? Water's a little inside. Oh no, it's right there still. Looks like it's barely, oh, like all the water is draining now, I think. All the water levels are filled up. Another in the front, I don't know where all that shit going, the people that shit going over here. That water's still in there though. And ladies and gentlemen, when you have a stoppage, this is what you need to do. It's a matter of opening, gain access to your piping system, and being able to clear the drain. How does it look now? Inside, does it look like water? You see water in there? There you go. A little bit closer. Yeah, now it's draining. Huh? Like what you get that back view, you can see the water right there. You can see that water all draining from the back of the piping that was filled up with water. Now it's all gone. So just to let you know, this is a Go 68 This is a Go 68 Gorlitz cable. And just to let you guys know, this is a cable drain machine that is good for equipped for getting roots and big stoppages, big heavy stoppages, you know. Right here again, just wanted to show you guys and demonstrate how to use this machine. Be careful, and you gotta have respect for this machine. It's not for everybody. It's a very heavy machine, but if you have a guy or two, if you get someone that can lift some weight, this thing does come with a winch. We could demonstrate back of the truck another video on how the winch and how it picks up, but right here we just demonstrated how to clear this stoppage. And as you can see, the stoppage is now clear. There's no sitting water in it. All the water is draining, and it's a beautiful world, you know. Luckily, thank God that it's not so bad for our customer, and we're able to get them back in business. Okay, come back for another video, and yeah, we'll cut it on that one. Thank you very much. GL Services and Education Videos.